Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about the TEENTOK rear bike light cam. This is just a quick review and I'm going to make a full review about that. So if you just want to know how this works and get a little bit of video about that, so you are perfect here for this video, but make sure you subscribe to my channel to get also the full review about that. Just wanted to drop this quick video about the TEENTOK bike rear light camera because it was so good, so nice, so easy to use. I've bought it a couple of weeks ago and since I've been using it almost every day and it was really reliable, has been recording everything. So I thought I'll make this short video about that. Here's the camera, the light, and we have to download the app. So yeah, the best thing is to search for RoPro Cam. So at the moment the RoPro Cam has been replaced by the wonderful XDY CAM. Maybe it's going back to RoPro Cam, so searching for RoPro Cam is always good. So here we click then on the RoPro XDY Cam currently and install. Here you can see there are not many downloads, no reviews, but it has been working really good. Looks like the developers are still working on this app, so if you find some small things, just write back, give some feedback and wait for some updates. So but for me it has been working really good. So how to use that? So it's super easy. You can see here on the one side you have the opening for the micro SD card. Here it's very easy to open that and insert. By the way, you have to order that separately. And here to charge the micro USB port. So on the other side we just turn it on here with a short push and then we have to wait till we hear all these beeping. So it will start the light and it will also start recording, so we don't have to do anything and we just wait for a little bit. By the way, we can already change the lights here, so we have a button dedicated for the lights and we can change the lights like to full light or no light at all, or like flashing lights going up and down and those things. So we have a lot of variety what we can do. That's really awesome here. I really like that. And to use the Wi-Fi we have to long press here till we hear some beeping. So that was 2 times beeping and we have to wait till we get confirmation and then Wi-Fi is turned on, so we can go to the Wi-Fi settings here. We have to go to Wi-Fi and then search for the T03 Wi-Fi. So we have to refresh, wait a little bit. Here we have it. If you have to access for the first time, you have to enter the password, which is 12345678. And then it will ask regarding the internet and you have to touch keep here to keep this internet, and then we go to the app. So when we are here for the first time we have to click on the plus here to connect to the camera. So usually when it's already connected, so you don't have to do this and it will connect automatically. And you can see here, so I'll put something here, you can see, and the camera here in upright position, and you can already see how this works. So we mount this here on the back of the bike and have the phone on the handlebar, and then we can see everything what's going on in the rear of the bike. It's really awesome. It has helped me a lot. It's a game changer. It's something really different. It's a new level of bike riding. So for me it has been working so good, so I thought I'll definitely leave this video for you. And I also leave already a little bit of full format footage here for you, but there will be much more in the full review, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel to not miss the whole review about this really nice rear bike light camera. And I will put down the link to the Amazon listing into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit already with this short, quick review here. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.